And the worst, maybe you forget what you had to say and you freeze. Hello, my friend! Things that can go wrong in your presentation. You're getting prepared. You know what you need to say, but these things happen. I hope you don't have them in your presentation, but maybe your voice gives sleep to your audience. Maybe your time is over before you have said half of what you had planned. Maybe you don't align your words with the images of your presentation. Maybe you were talking and people were not listening. They're checking their phones. Maybe the video you prepared is not working. The remote you're using is not working. Maybe when you share a joke, no one laughs. Maybe when you say something serious, people laugh. And this happened to me during a TEDx event. Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Quero te agradecer pelo seu curso de inglês. Estou com vergonha, mas tenho que falar. O amor da minha vida é indiano e era muito difícil nossa comunicação. Agora está melhor. Não comente isso com ninguém, tá?
You see? Man, I never thought people would laugh with that image. But they laughed. Maybe you were expecting a huge applause and people just clapped their hands. And the worst, maybe you forget what you had to say and you freeze. To deal with these possibilities, we have strategies, and we'll study these strategies next class. But by now, tell me, from these things, which one you really don't want to face? Comment here. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. How to prepare your speech and mitigate those risks we mentioned last class.